Welcome to this tutorial on Appsheet versus Bubble, where we will explore which platform is best for your needs in 2025. Both Appsheet and Bubble are popular no-code development platforms that allow users to create custom applications without extensive coding knowledge. First, let's look at Appsheet. Appsheet is a no-code platform that allows users to create custom business applications using data from various sources such as Google Sheets, Excel, and SQL databases. It offers a range of features including data integration, workflow automation, and customizable user interfaces. Appsheet is ideal for businesses that need to create custom applications for data management, workflow automation, and team collaboration. On the other hand, Bubble is a no-code platform that allows users to create custom web applications without coding. It offers a range of features including drag-and-drop interfaces, workflow automation, and integrations with third-party services. Bubble is ideal for users who want to create custom web applications for e-commerce, marketing, and customer engagement. When it comes to choosing between Appsheet and Bubble, it ultimately depends on your specific needs. If you need to create custom business applications for data management and workflow automation, Appsheet may be the better choice. However, if you need to create custom web applications for e-commerce, marketing, and customer engagement, Bubble may be the better choice. In terms of pricing, Appsheet offers a range of plans including a free plan, while Bubble offers a free plan as well as several paid plans. It's essential to evaluate the pricing plans of both platforms and choose the one that best fits your budget and needs. In conclusion, both Appsheet and Bubble are powerful no-code development platforms that can help you create custom applications without extensive coding knowledge. By understanding the features, pricing, and use cases of both platforms, you can make an informed decision about which platform is best for your needs in 2025. Remember to evaluate your specific needs, consider the pricing plans, and choose the platform that best aligns with your goals and objectives.